Hi everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Dark Razor. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself. So don't worry if you can't see this. This is mostly, no, this is 100% for me. I say that every time. This is for me to make sure I have it right. Ooh, that's a little, see, that's a little too high. So I have to be careful of that. So I'm just going to redesign this real fast, like that, and then I'll switch over to Sharpies in a second, and you'll be able to follow along, and then we'll join in together. Okay, I'm just kidding. I know you didn't come here to hear me sing. That is going to be my next channel. Horrible songs for horrible people. Alright, let's see. I think that looks about right. Right? Okay. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use a straight edge for the staff. I probably should for all the other parts too, just to keep it cohesive, but I don't know, there's just something fun about drawing it myself, you know? Sometimes it's not right, but if not being right is wrong, then I don't rightly want to be wrong. I don't know how that phrase is. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and probably a Sharpie pen for some sharper sharps. It just depends on how many times I can say the word sharp. So let's get started with the Sharpie fine point. So I think I'm just going to do it. The staff I'll do with a ruler. The rest I'm going to do by hand. That way we can all do it together, okay? So let's just go ahead and start with this point. That's where we're going to bring the whole thing together. I'm going to bring it all the way over here like this. And then I'm going to, let's just follow the pattern. So I'm going to go up like this. I'm going to go back here. And it kind of does this little jiggity jag like that. And then it comes back to the front. Then it's going to go back one more time. And it's a little bit higher than that. Mine's not that much higher, but yours should be a little bit higher than that. So it's good if you did like this, because this is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. Okay, so I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna kind of stair step it like that, just a hair, like that, and you'll see why in a second. I'm gonna do the same thing here, just a hair taller than that. See how that is? It's not straight across. It kind of goes a stair step is what it's called. Okay, then I'm gonna go same, go out like that. We're gonna come in, and I'm not gonna. Okay, so this is where it's gonna get tricky, because the reason I was stair stepping is because of this fun little thing that kind of comes in like this, back like that, down, and then to this. And the reason I'm doing it like this with this Sharpie is because I needed this stopping point. And so now I can follow it up like this and connect it, and see how this is a lot thicker. It looks cooler with the thinner lines like that, just that weird little mech style, So I'm going to kind of go like this, then I'm going to come down, stair step it again, then we're just going to reconnect over here. So boop, like that, and then we're going to draw the little I don't know if that's a flashlight, I don't know what that is, but that little cylinder, it's like that. So to us is basically a box. That's all we can really do, because from the side you can't really tell it's a cylinder. That's physics, folks. It only works if you see it 3D. So now we're going to bring it down here like this to where it's going to connect to the staff, and slide it up here like that. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Sharpie. I'm already using the Sharpie, silly man. Okay, I'm going to use the straight edge to, I think that looks good. Wait, see, that was way too off, so I'm gonna readjust it to right there. Okay, And basically what I did is I just kind of eyeballed where this was, and that's going to be way off. Look, it would look like this. So I'm going to straighten it like that, and I think that's a good spot. But I'm going to bring it up higher because now I'm going to fall off the page if I go all the way down to where I was. Okay, so let's just bring a line down here like this, and then scoot it over and do another one right beside it like that. Okay, and I can connect it and then kind of do a little doodly-doo now like that, and a little deedly-dee like that here, and connect. Okay, so that's pretty much it, but we're going to add a few little details kind of like I did right there. Some fun stuff, you know. That's kind of the whole point of this, is getting to do everything that's fun. So we're going to, let's see, we're going to do a real quick line in here like this, and stop there like that. I'm going to come up here to about right there. Okay, so I'm going to connect it here, and this does kind of come up and do one of these, and then this one's going to come up to here to that little stair step that we did, kind of like that. Then this one's going to come out to this, so we'll do another one like that. Same thing, come down here like this, curve it, and come to a point like that. And you know what, let's take care of the rest with color. So for now, that is dark vertex. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.